How to find account settings on Instagram Threads easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find account settings. It's easy. All you have to do first, just open Instagram Threads and then go to your profile, and after that click these two lines, and then here now you will see this one, account, and click on it. As you see here, you can manage break settings. You can deactivate your account. You can see other account, another account settings. It's like additional settings, and also you can manage your personal informations and supervision, security, and stuff like that. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.